Welcome to your channel, Early Learners and Right Brainers. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, this is Shraddha. Welcome to Early Learners and Right Brainers. Kindly subscribe this channel so that it motivates me. Coming to the topic, today's topic is going to be, why do you think that the right brain journey is not correctly done by you? Why do you doubt yourself? Okay, to start with, first thing first, right brain education is nothing but whole brain development. When you do right brain education, the more focus is on love, affection, and kindness. Also, there is something called as imagination. So, do you believe in stories? Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in certain things that are miracles? If no, then your right brain journey with your child is going to be very, very unsuccessful. The reason is, right brain education is about belief. You have to believe that what you are doing is correct. You have to believe that your child is responding, and you have to believe in your child and, of course, in yourself. So the reason why you feel that your right brain education or your journey is something not correctly done, it is because you have a lot of self-doubt in yourself. So to rectify that, I think you must first start doing some gratitude exercises. When you start doing gratitude exercises, you will feel immense positive. And when you feel immense positive, you will see a lot of miraculous things happening around you, and you will start noticing them. When you will start noticing them, you will also believe in the concept called as right brain education. So you know what are the flashcards, you know what are linking memory, you know what are telepathy. Some of the concepts are not known to you, but most of the concepts like the flashcards are quite easy to understand, but still you doubt that whether this is working, whether this is right, whether this is going to help my child. Now this is because you do not have the vision that okay, something like this can exist. You feel that everything is logical. You feel that everything is like, if you do A into B, then you will get certain benefits. You cannot accept the fact that, you have to just believe in something and let it happen. So first thing first, you have to start working on yourself before becoming a RBE mom, and then further teaching your child. If you think that no, this is absolutely not my cup of tea, you can always join classes that are there. I don't have my own classes right now, but what I'm trying to tell you is that you have to inculcate a belief system in yourself. When you believe in yourself that no, when my child is seeing 4 cards, it is enough for my child. Okay, the other children are seeing 10 cards, that's okay, but my child is happy with 4 cards. Then why do you want your kid to look for 10 cards? He's not interested, and it's okay. Glenn Dorman, Sushida, Haigru all say it is baby lead. When we say baby lead, it means that there is no means that you can do that your child will like something. It has to be from your child. It has to make him happy. If that doesn't make him happy, it's not working. Guys, one thing you have to understand. Although we all think that the kids who are born because of us and all those things, we have to understand. Babies are souls. These are souls. These are big souls packed in a small body that comes to you because they have chosen you as their parents. They are going to make you a medium to do what they want to do, and you have to accept and move with them. You cannot impose your decisions on them. They are going to impose decisions on you because you feel the baby is very small, but the baby is not small. He is a soul. So guys, be very, 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 very patient and be very much open to this concept called as right brain education. It is beyond understanding. It is something called as imaginary, but it does work. It does work because it exists. This is metaphysics. This is science. This is not something fake. You have to trust yourself. When you start thinking from your own heart, you will understand that, okay, my child doesn't look at flashcards. My child doesn't look at dot cards. What can I do? Your child will definitely tell you. You won't need me. You won't need anybody. You just need yourself. So just focus on yourself. Try to meditate. Try to think for 2 minutes like, what can I do? Then my journey would be better. It is good to follow people. It is good to get inspiration from people. But it is extremely important to understand your own child because this soul chose you as a mother. So there's something special about you. Just try and figure it out. Okay, guys? So thanks a lot, and don't doubt yourself. You are doing absolutely fantastic. All the methods that are provided are methods. They are not hard and fast rules. These are some guidelines. That doesn't mean that they are completely correct. everything is going to be as per your child. You just have to take all the tracks and all the information, but you have to implement your own program. Sky is the limit. So flashcards, right brain education, we don't even know what is right and what is wrong. So keep doing and try doing. When you try, when you do it, then only you are going to make it happen, and then only you are going to have your own success story. Don't trust or rely on others. Trust yourself. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Your mind is a powerful tool. Practice your affirmation today. You can do it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.